Hello everyone, a special thank you to Hector in Reno, Nevada. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I'm the hardest working optician in the industry, as well as the most famous on YouTube. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you see Mo Better, look and Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Hector's Oakley 9013, the FrogSkin color matte brown tortoise. It's in the 55 eye size. Now I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video. This frame comes in, well, actually it comes with the cleaning cloth / carrying bag, the original demo lenses, but it comes in 7 colors, one size, the 55 eye size. He got color C5, the matte brown tortoise, and he got the Zeiss Polarized gray lenses with the blue, the cool blue mirror on there. One of my favorite colors, and full disclosure, this is the color I wear in my sunglass lenses too. But again, you're going to get everything from Oakley, you're going to get everything from Zeiss. The packets that the lenses came in before I cut them, the right single vision polarized polycarbonate gray C, which is just, you know, their term for a dark polarized lens. Duravision mirror cool blue. I've highlighted prescription for the right eye, same for the left. Now you can get any mirror coating. You can get these with clear lenses. In fact, this frame comes, as I was saying, comes in 7 colors. It sells for $106 to $146, depending on which of the 7 colors you want. It comes with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses or non-prescription fashion lenses for that price. He got the polarized gray. You can get gray, brown, or green. And you can get any of these 9 colors: matte silver, shiny silver, matte gold, shiny gold, matte blue, shiny blue. The newest of the colors, the cool blue, and of course there's 1 green and 1 red, and he got the cool blue. Now let's see if we can pull that out so we can see it better. But again, I can do any of those colors for you. Moved in the nick of time. I saw it falling. So yeah, these are the colors that he got, that he and I got. So now the polarized adds $99, the mirror adds $99. It also adds a little bit extra time because Murphy's Law, he wanted these to go on vacation, and it didn't happen. Now, had he not gone on vacation, he would have gotten them next day. You know, he would have gotten them like oh, what is it, the Wile E. Coyote Ace delivery. He would have gotten them like 10 seconds after he had entered on his computer, had he not gone on vacation. But since he did go on vacation, he didn't get these in time. So but I just want to thank you for your patience. You got something to look forward to when you come home. Now, if you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. If you want to speak to a live person in multiple languages, you can call Jigsaw at 919-491-2411. He's the hardest working jigsaw puzzle piece in the box. He answers the phone calls. You can text in English only to this number. I answer the text messages. He answers the phone calls. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Hector in Reno, Nevada, I think I always pronounce it wrong. Mispronouncing things is kind of my thing. But thank you so much for the purchase of the Oakley 9013 FrogSkin in color C5, the matte brown tortoise with your polarized gray lenses with the cool blue mirror. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.